Okay, hello there. I have my dear patient here, Mrs. Sasser. How are you?
I'm doing wonderful.
All right, so we had bariatric revision in May of 2022, correct?
Correct.
About 9 months ago, thereabout. And so far, we just checked it. You've done how many pounds?
42
pounds. Yes, ma'am. 42 pounds, indeed.
It's so much, it's unbelievable. I had to stop and think.
I love it. I love it. That's amazing. And of course, part of the issues we're having is you're going to have knee surgery, right?
Yes.
So you couldn't even have the knee surgery because of the weight.
Correct.
And then, of course, as the weight started to come off, then you were eligible for the knee surgery.
Right.
I know we're still in the recovery phase, so it's going to get better from there as well, right?
That's right.
Yes, ma'am. But how do you feel overall being 42 pounds?
Oh, I feel wonderful. I can't even explain it. It feels great.
So you have gastric bypass, right?
That's right.
That was what you
2010.
2010 gastric bypass, and as happens to a lot of people with gastric bypass after a while, they get
Right.
that's what you found it.
That's exactly right.
And revision has been an amazing experience for you. Do you remember how long it took you to get back to your normal life after revision?
It was about 6 weeks.
About 6 weeks.
Yeah,
Really?
6 weeks.
Very good, interesting. Very nice. So here we are now. You're down 42 pounds. Your clothes are got to a small size of clothes as well.
Yes.
Yes, indeed. And so the people out there who are thinking about trying to have a revision, have gastric bypass, gastric sleeve, what would you say to somebody who's thinking about this?
If they haven't had gastric bypass, I would say do it. If they have, I would say do it.
Of course, we do have non-surgical options for those who never have surgery as well. Which is amazing. It's very much like what we do here. And yes, so you can see us in any of our locations. That's we're very proud.
Thank you. I'm very proud of myself. Thank you so much for getting me there.
Well, you're very welcome, very welcome. It's my pleasure. It's a pleasure working with you, and we're going to keep working with you and helping you continue to win.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
All right, come see us. Thank you, my dear. Very good.